everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Pina Fajriani with NIM 19242445. I am majoring information system in Kalimalang in Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika University. In here, I will explain about hardware and computer. The first, I will explain about hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is all the physical component of hardware of a computer system. In other words, hardware includes all parts that can be touched and seen directly, such as the monitor, keyboard, mouse, hard disk, and motherboard. Without hardware, the computer would not to be able to function because these components are what execute commands from the software. Next, basic hardware function. Hardware function as a medium to run and support software in processing data. Each hardware has a specific role that is interrelated with each other so that the computer system can operate properly. For example, the processor is responsible for processing data. RAM stores data temporarily, and the hard drive stores data permanently. Next, in general, hardware is divided into 4 main categories based on its function. 1. Input device. Input device used to enter data into a computer system. For example, keyboard, mouse, and scanner. Number 2, processing device. Processing device is the main components that process data and into instruction. For example, CPU, GPU, and RAM. Next, output device. Output device presenting the result of processing to the user. For example, monitor, printer, and speaker. Number 4, storage device. Storing data and information both temporarily and permanently. For example, hard disk, flash drive, and optical disk. Next, interaction between hardware and software. Hardware cannot work alone. Hardware requires software to provide instruction. Conversely, software cannot run without hardware. For example, a word processing application such as Microsoft Word cannot be used if there is no screen to display text and a keyboard to type on. Next, hardware development. As a technology advances, hardware also continues to experience improvement in terms of speed, capacity, and energy efficiency. For example, CPU now have more cores and higher dock speeds. SSD are replacing HDD because they are faster and more shock resistant, and modern GPU are now used not only for graphic but also for AI and heavy computing. Uh, just enough presentation about hardware from me. Thank you. Move on. Move on from hardware. Now I will presentation about computer. What is the computer? A computer is electronic device designed to receive, process, store, and display data. Computers work based on two instructions given through software and executed by physical components, hardware. Computers are not limited to the form we often see, such as PC or laptop, smartphones, tablets, server, ATM, and even navigation system in modern cars are also types of computer because they work on the same principle, receiving input, processing data, and then producing output. Next, basic computer function. Number one, input. Computer receive data from user through input device such as keyboard, mouse, or sensor. Number two, processing. The entered data is processed by the CPU, central processing unit, according to instruction from the software. Number three, storage. Storage data can be stored temporarily in RAM or permanently or storage media such as a hard disk or SSD. Last, output. The result of the processing are displayed to the user through an output device such as a monitor, printer, or speaker. Next, main component of a computer. Number one, hardware. These are the physical parts of the computer, including CPU, RAM, hard disk or SSD, motherboard, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Number two, software. Software are program or interaction that control how a computer works. These include operating system and application. Next, types of computer. 1. Personal computer, laptop, server, supercomputer, embedded system. The role of computer is everyday life. education, work, entertainment, communication, business, and industry. That's enough presentation for me. Thank you.